National Unity Day, also known as Rashtriya Ekta Diwas, is celebrated annually on October 31st in India to honour the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, a key figure in India's struggle for independence and the country's first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister. This day emphasizes the importance of unity and integrity in a diverse nation like India, which is home to multiple cultures, languages, and religions. Established in 2014, National Unity Day aims to promote the ideals of Sardar Patel, who played a vital role in unifying the country after independence. His vision of a strong and cohesive India is celebrated through various activities, including parades, rallies, and seminars that focus on national integration and communal harmony. On this day, the government and various organizations organize programs to raise awareness about the significance of unity among citizens. People participate in the Run for Unity campaign, symbolizing their commitment to national solidarity. National Unity Day serves as a reminder of the strength that lies in diversity and the need to foster a spirit of togetherness among all Indians. It reinforces the values of tolerance, cooperation, and mutual respect, contributing to a stronger and more united nation.